Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to fill a hole. So as example, I will create the cube objects and you can change for the subdivision here like this. Like I will select in the top face, you can right click and choose face selection, press tab button, hold, and I will select after this face. Now you can use delete button to delete the selected face. Now if you want to fill this hole, you can go to edge selection and then you can select the edge, double click to select a loop edge, and then you can go to mesh menu, click on fill hole. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to fill hole.